Friends of Gravity, I found something really exciting on eBay again, a marble run strategy game for multiple players. So there she is, isn't that a beauty? Astro Slide, the action-packed game from the Super Toy Club. Super Toy Club, I take it, is a television program probably broadcast on Togo. So this is a tabletop game featuring falling marbles, a tabletop strategy game. So I guess I'm bound to look at this. I like the design of these boxes. These old boxes, this has this retro futuristic vibe to it, this early age computer writing, and the whole space theme of this. I always fall for this kind of stuff, and that's why I keep buying it, and I just like that design. Looks kind of nice, good feel to it. This is how this is supposed to go down, I guess. Everybody is a proud member of the Super Toy Club here. This here is the German edition and it's called Astro Slide, even in German. So I will do some research and see if that's the same name in English. And the instructions here are all in German, but they're pretty simple. Apparently you have to bring your marbles down to the bottom here, devising some strategy on how to move those switches. A very simple concept, I like that actually. What I don't get, so they chose a space theme for this whole thing. So those little marbles here in the German instructions, they don't actually call them marbles, they call them asteroids. So those are sliding asteroids. What astronomical physical phenomenon serves as the model for this, I can't really say. Where do you have sliding asteroids in the universe? Anyhow, these are not marbles, these are asteroids. This looks kind of nice. Here is the playing board where the action will happen. All the switches are here and they seem to move fine. Throw in your marbles here, get them down to there. These are the marbles. And there are even 2 spare switches here. And 6 little boards for the players. I guess this describes the order in which you have to get marbles of the different colors down from the top to the bottom. And the base thing here, that's a little bit heavier plastic where you can fit this in. Nice. Being only one person here, I of course can't play a full game. I will try that out with my kids later. I just want to see if the mechanics are plausible and if this in fact triggers any strategic thinking as you try to get down your marbles here in the correct color. So from the instructions on the back of this, conveniently printed here in German in this case, but I'm sure this game exists in the Anglo-Saxon world as well. I'm going to give you the English name of this game in the descriptions of this when I post the video, so it might or might not be Astro Slide. The German instructions here tell me, so each player gets one of these boards and then you have to guide marbles down this movable marble maze here in the order of the colored holes here on your player's card. So if this is your card, you need to get a red one through first and then another red one and a green one and so forth. Whoever gets their card filled up with marbles in the correct color first will be the winner. I will now try out the mechanics of this and see if this works and if this is any fun. I'm not gonna get all of those marbles out. They are made of plastic, but quite a heavy quality, but some of them, I don't know, they don't seem perfectly round to me though. So this is my player board now. I need to start with red and then yellow. I'll do a red one first. That's what I need to get here. So this gets stuck here. So to get this down, I somehow need to get a marble here. And then the second one I need is a yellow one, so I will try that. To get this red one out, I need to throw another one in here. You really have to think through all the ways that these switches will move. It's kind of difficult. So I need to get a green one through now. I think that's legal. They both came through in the same move, so I can take the green one first and then the yellow one. So now I need 2 more red ones. That's easy. So I see if I throw in the red one here, it should fall straight through and on the way free this one. Yes, so this worked. This gave me 2 red ones for my card. And all I need now is another yellow one. That's like chess with marbles. I like it. But now I'm going to take the brute force approach. Throw in yellow ones until a yellow one finally drops. So now one should fall. Excellent. I like this a lot. It's very simple, but those 14 switches here on this board, they allow a huge amount of combinations, and I can imagine if you play this with several players, this can become quite challenging because you have to devise your own strategy how to get your marbles down, and maybe you can obstruct the other guys. So I don't know if this is still in production, but if you see this somewhere used on some flea market, I guess it's a cool thing to get. I will play this with my kids and will let you know if this is any fun. But overall, like the material that's in the box and the simplicity of the whole thing and the functionality of this, from my first look now, I absolutely recommend this. Let's see if there's any long time fun in playing this. This was my very quick eBay unboxing and first look at Astro Slide, the Marble Run strategy game. And if you liked my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and please remember, what goes up must come down here at Gravity Bites. See, I got it.